Violet Voss came out with this super cute mini eyeshadow palette. Violet Voss Soft Butterfly Kisses. Look how cute this is. Now this, for being a mini, I think is a pretty nice size, and I'll have another palette just for comparison. Another mini palette that I have, and look at this. This one is Pat McGrath. I also have a video on this one. It's really nice. This is a really nice size. I wouldn't have thought it was this size just for seeing it online. I got this palette because I was just like, I need some color in my life. This is the back. It does have like a magnetic close, so that's awesome. And you get a mirror. Let me just show you the shades. What do you think? This is so pretty. Mini but mighty eyeshadow palette that embodies the essence of butterflies in a lively color story. You get different formulas here. You get shimmers and mattes. I love that. I think I'm gonna create something with blue today. Definitely gonna create several different with these. I'll do them like for TikTok and Instagram. Do some swatches and see. This is my first time trying anything from Violet Voss. There's many of their minis that have caught my attention before. I swatched beautifully. The bottom, so the first one is called Kiss Kiss. Then you have Butterflies, Transform, which is this beautiful shade right here, Transform. When I was swatching it like this, I thought it wasn't showing up, but then when I looked at it, I was like, oh, that's actually really pretty. This green one is called Beauty. Then you have Purple Emperor. We have Joy. This nice like gold one is Delicate. That black one, wow, that was pigmented. That is Night Flyer. That blue is called Blue Moon. And the last one, pink, is called Wild. Look at this. They are absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. They all look so pigmented. I can't wait to play with this. Go ahead and create the look, and then I'll come back, tell you about the palette, how it worked, performance, alright? My god, guys, this took me forever. It just goes to show you that I'm not used to playing with a lot of color. Like the final result, just gonna do a quick nude lip. This is the new one from Rare Beauty. You can do it like that. You can put nothing, you can put a gloss, whatever you like. but everything was really easy to blend. Everything's very pigmented. The shimmers are my weakness. I can't wait to play with the other shades. Mixed a whole bunch of colors because I wanted to show you as many as I could in one look. All over the lid. This one here is perfect, like as your base. Started with the blue on the outside, right, because it's matte. I wanted the matte to be on the outside and any shimmer on the inside. So then after I blended this blue, I went ahead and put some concealer to cut the crease. I just love doing that with these kind of shades, like this kind of formula. I just love it. So then I went ahead with this one, the beautiful green, and I just put it there where I put the concealer. Popped beautifully, it blended beautifully. Of course, to darken it up, I put the black one just in the outer corner, and then I just blended everything up a little, and I went ahead and applied this shade again to like blend everything because it was looking really harsh. So I just blended everything on the top, and of course the inner corner I always like to highlight it, so I thought this was the perfect shade for the inner corner. And you just have this beautiful pop. I definitely want to play with this one. Imagine these two together, or like the pinks, because you have mattes and then these, that will look beautiful. I don't know, too many combinations, or like gold with pink. If you don't see those looks here, check me out on TikTok, Instagram. It's all the same username, Jenz BeautyStyle. Palette is beautiful if you like the shades. If you don't like these shades, then obviously not. But I just needed something. Like, this one's just specifically like when I just want to have some fun, you know? Everything blended really, really nice. Super cute palette, and for $20, that I don't think is expensive at all compared to all the other minis that I have bought. They're usually like $30. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.